स्टार्टअप में काम कर चुके हैं, आपका क्या बैकग्राउंड है और आप रूसी को कैसे जानते हैं?
शायद सुना है, वैसे बैंगलोर में born and brought up और राघव कोलकाता में born and brought up.
Then we have the Atal lab. ये मुहिम शुरू हुआ सीगा by the government of India.
जी.
By the Atal lab is after Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
जी.
By नीति योग ने ते गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने ये रियलाइज़ किया कि अगर भारत ने दुनिया के नाल कंपीट करना है तो उन्होंने आर्टिफिशियल इंटैलीजेंस ते रोबोटिक्स के नाल उन्हों दा नॉलेज जी है वो जरूरी है जिन्हों कहते हैं थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स
जी
इमेजिनेशन सो इनोवेशन दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर कि पीपल जो आप बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं ठीक है पर बियॉन्ड दैट दे शुड बी एबल टू उन्होंने दिमाग के इमेजिनेशन होनी चाहिए है वो आइडियाज़ होने चाहिए ने कि मैं ये क्रिएट कर सकता है मैं नेचर वास्ते जिवें तुसीं कह रहे हो ट्रीज़ वास्ते आप कुछ करना है वो किवें करना है एनवायरनमेंट को बचाने वास्ते हुण जिवें एलॉन मस्क ने इलैक्ट्रिक कार्स का इनोवेशन की ते अज दुनिया भर दे विच सारी कंपनीज़ मैनूं लगता है कि अनदर 15 सालां दे विच सारी कंपनीज़ सारी कार्स इलैक्ट्रिक हो जाएंगियां डीजल कार्स फॉसिल फ्यूल कार्स बंद ही हो जाएंगियां सो ये इनोवेशन है दिस इज एलॉन मस्क की इमेजिनेशन सी उन्हें क्रिएट करता सो आर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो हैव टू they can also be Elon Musk, they can also be Bill Gates, they can also be the creators of Apple who are so everyone has that potential. So I'll show you the lab, Atal lab, where is सारी electronic sensors devices लोकी बच्चे अपना रोबोट डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं कार डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं जिमें सेंसर के राइट आप कहते ना आजकल वो आ गया Alexa switch on the light प्रोग्रामिंग कोडिंग ये सारा कुछ आप इतने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं जी ये जिमें आ जी आ 3D प्रिंटर है जी दसो these are 12th class pass out now he's doing his college so he has joined us वापस and he is also training in the Atal lab so over to Shubdeep. Shubdeep, please tell what you are teaching in the Atal lab.
So this is Atal lab, Atal tinkering lab. The main motive of this lab is innovation. Like right from the beginning of human mankind, we have innovated wheel, fire, and now we are innovating robots and a lot of stuff like there's a robot out here. This is designed by a kid. He's from 8th class, and we have designed like small ring sensors. This is a ring sensor. This works on water touch. Why it's working on my hand? Because my hand has moisture. Each and every human has a moisture in his hand. That's why it's working. If you put a water droplet on it, this will also work like it will keep on buzzing and buzzing. This is a rain sensor, and then we have like hot glue guns. It's being used in a lot of YouTube videos to make stuff. We also teach how to mold the stuff from here. And here we have telescope. This is a telescope. Like students know about microscope we have because we have microscope in our chemistry lab. They have never seen telescope. So we have a telescope here. They can see distant object in night. We can see that if the sky is clear, we can see the moon, stars and other planets we have in our solar system. These are some focus we can adjust. We have up and down stuff like that and all other stuff. And this here we have a 3D printer. This is a 3D printer. This is like a heart of this lab. You can 3D print anything. 3D printing is basically create like we used to print paper, like exam paper or any other paper. We use a printer for that. This is a 3D printer used to print 3D objects.
Correlated with our science subject.
We are correlated with
like with the science ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਸਕਲ ਜੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਟਰ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ। तो ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਮਝਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਸਕਲ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ। So it is part of this is you can show.
This is a model of a cell, human cell, like eukaryotic cell. This is a model of this. This is designed by a 9th class kid. His name is Lavish. He have designed this model by himself, and then we 3D printed through this printer. This printer uses a filament. This filament is known as PLA filament. It's known as polylactic acid. It's a biodegradable and it has no harm to environment. That's the biggest achievement of this filament. All the stuff we have made this, like this cell or skull, these are all biodegradables. These are not plastics. These look like plastic, but these are biodegradable. Save Earth, that's the biggest motto of our school. We recently celebrated the Earth Day, that is 22nd May. And then we have laptops on which kids design stuff and all other stuff. Like for example, we use Tinkercad for 3D designing. That's a very basic. And for Arduino programming, we use Arduino IDE. This is an Arduino. It's like a microcontroller for the entire robot or stuff like that. We use this. We have to program it, and we program this through laptops. That's all we have in this lab. We have soldering, like basically mechanical and all of the stuff.
Children come here to innovate, like all the sayings are here that you are an inventor. Make your ideas work. Bring your ideas to life. Okay, follow your ideas, not just books. This is the Atal Tinkering Lab, which is set up by the government of India, so that sade bacche can become the next inventors, the next innovators of India and the world, so that we can basically help people by doing good innovation. As I said, मैं पहला मिशन किया, Elon Musk ने इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स ਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ। ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਪੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡੀਜ਼ਲ ਫੋਸਲ ਫਿਊਲਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੁਣ ਸੋਲਵ ਹੋ ਜੂਗੀ। That's a big thing.